everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass SX. Very cool car, guys. 455. Big block 455 underneath the hood. Really cool color combination. This is the lime green metallic. You can see it's got the white convertible top, and it's got the original white vinyl interior in it. Car's out of Mississippi. It has just undergone a frame-off restoration. The bottom of this car's got glossy black painted floorboards on it. Really nicely done. New brake lines. Yeah, neat car. You can see it's got BF Goodrich Radial T's all the way around it. The stock 15-inch rally color-coded wheels on it. Neat car. I apologize about the weather, but this is about as good as it's going to get for the next few days. So we're just going to kind of go ahead and move forward and try to get a couple cars done today. Looks like the original front bumper on it. Kind of pick at that a little bit. Paint slick. Dual sport mirrors. Sorry guys, got a little wax and stuff on here. Top's in good shape. It's also got the glass rear window, which is nice. So they don't color fade or whatever they call the plastic windows do. Really neat color, man. It's got the correct exhaust port cutout rear bumper. These cars came with the Trumpet tips. Nice and straight down the sides. Car sits good. It's got a great sounding 455 underneath the hood. Again, color-coded rallies. Factory front disc brakes. It's not the matching numbers engine, but it does have the era correct 455 Oldsmobile engine in it, the HO. I put the casting number in there so that you can research that yourself. It's also got the Edelbrock Performer RPM kit on it, so it's 450 horse. Edelbrock carb, Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock aluminum heads. It's got the Edelbrock camshaft in it. Power steering, power disc brakes. It's 400 turbohydramatic transmission. It's got the stock exhaust manifolds. Stone back there that they've touched up. Dual sport mirrors. Well, that was probably new. Oh, it might be original. Factory door tag on it. I believe this interior is all original. I think they probably put new carpet in it. It might be the original carpet, guys. Definitely the original seats. steering wheel, showing 35,000, so I'm sure that's 135. It's got the factory wood grain dash, Retrosounds radio, it works. It's got a good sounding Dynomax dual exhaust system in it. It's got a 10-bolt 323 limited slip rear axle in it. You can see that's the original paint still on your latch there. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. They did put a trunk pan in it, he said. Pretty neat old car. Again, very nice underneath, as you can see. The floors are all painted shiny black. Got a little low for the cam. The belt squeak there. Really just factory fuel gauge in there. Everything opens and closes nice. And little lobe to the cam. It's got good sound. And it runs strong. It's a good running 455 in it. Radio works, I just had it on. Just got to find the station. Blower motor works. Check the blinkers. The blinkers aren't flashing. Let me check it. It might be the blinker switch. We'll check it. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Have a great day, guys.